Hey everyone, this is Jeff with Guardian RFID. One of the more common questions I get asked on a training site is how do we handle issuing out inmate supplies? Well, the problem that I see at most facilities I visit is they're handing out everything individualized. When I was a lieutenant at DeSoto County Sheriff's Department, what we did was consolidate that down into one bag, and it had everything that that offender would need for that entire week, whether it is a face towel, a towel, bedding exchange, uniform exchange, laundry services, soap, shampoo. You can go as deep down the rabbit hole as you want. You consolidate that into one inmate survival kit. You identify in a time, an area of the jail where once a week you can hand out those supplies, have the inmates sign for those supplies. That proves that your agency is providing those items and services, and your administration has a way to run that report in case there is possible litigation of inmates accusing your facility of not providing those items. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at info@guardianrfid.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember the #1 rule here at Guardian RFID, get your team home safe.